Bonjour, French student of grade 1 AB. Today we are going to learn about the color. This is actually new unit for you. I just start a little bit earlier this time, but I will still keep in touch with the unit 5 by Monday again for the listening practice of the vocabulary weather. Today we start learning the color. This is come from your textbook, page 64. We are going to pronounce this first together. For your information, that the color we divide by two gender. The pronunciation of the color also are having same pronunciation, and some of the color also are having different pronunciation. Some the masculine and feminine gender is something like noun. Okay. Now for the color red, for the masculine thing, we are going to read rouge, rouge. And then for pink, we are going to say rose, rose. For yellow, we are going to say jaune, jaune. And for orange, we are going to say orange, orange. And for this group, this is the color which have different spelling for masculine thing and for feminine thing. For masculine thing, for color blue, we are going to say bleu, bleu. But the spelling will be different. For feminine thing, it's ending with letter E. And for the color green, we are going to say vert for masculine thing and vert for feminine thing. For brown, in masculine, we are going to say brown. And for feminine, we are going to say brune. And for gray, in masculine thing, we are going to say gris. For feminine thing, we are going to say grise. And for color black, for masculine thing, we are going to say noir. And for feminine thing, we are going to say noir. For color white, in masculine thing, we are going to say blanc. For feminine thing, we are going to say blanche. I hope you enjoy learning color. You can find this from your textbook, page 64. And if you have new edition of textbook, it is on page 79. This is the edition of a French book. Alright, now the work that you are going to do is, let's continue practice the pronunciation for the color so that you can get the correct pronunciation and understand the differentiation between between color for masculine thing and color for feminine thing. For your work of the day is, kindly do the exercise in page 67, part A. You fill the puzzle, and part B, you unjumble the letter to become correct word of spelling for each color. I'm going to share the answer by Monday. See you. Au revoir.